Mount Etna, a famous volcano in Italy, has again emitted lava into the Sicilian sky. This is what it looks like. The most active volcano in Europe is active again. Mount Etna in Italy has erupted again, emitting lava and ash into the Sicilian sky. The volcano, which erupts every few months this year, has remained active for the past decade, according to the BBC. This is what Mount Etna's latest majestic view looks like. Mount Etna knows how to attract onlookers, usually erupting several times a year. In 2023, the volcano experienced eruptions in February, May, August, and November. About 1 million people live around Mount Etna, according to Smithsonian Magazine. If ash or volcanic rock is scattered around the city, residents clean the streets by bagging the ash, the Associated Press reported in 2021. But residents say this rarely happens. In 2021, a resident described a rare hail of stones that locals call lapillus. Something I've never seen in my life, Padara resident Letizia Olivieri told the AP. Earlier this year, a volcanic eruption closed the nearby airport after ash covered the runway, Sky News reported. The volcano is considered one of the most scientifically monitored volcanoes in the world, according to Smithsonian Magazine. It's truly a volcanic playground for scientists, volcanologist Boris Banki told the magazine.